morning, as in cold morning, as in freezing cold morning. It's 36, 38 degrees this morning. I put the furnace on and off all morning. I sleep with a sleeping blanket, electric sleeping blanket at nighttime. I just plug it into the batteries. But last night, man, it was windy, like windy. And this building right here, which is falling apart, has loose aluminum roofing right there, and it was just blowing in the wind. And then last night all I heard is crash. And I realized some of it fell off and hit the ground. One piece there and one piece there. I'm like, man, was that ever close to the RV? But I checked it, it's fine. I went up on the roof to see if any pieces were sitting up there, but there's none. There's no scratches, so I was gonna move because it was windy and I didn't want those pieces of metal to fall on the roof. And I think that was all that fell off. Just heard this big tinning noise hitting the ground, and it was aluminum. Anyways, I was supposed to be staying at a Harvest Host about 2 hours away from here, and I just canceled it because I need electricity. I want to put my electrical heater on. I want to use the furnace. It uses up so much propane. So I booked the campground about 10 minutes away from the Harvest Host. And I'm going to stay there tonight. And then tomorrow night, KOA for 2 nights. I'll have electric heat again. I know when I get to Human and Quartzsite, I can see myself getting a campground for a few days. I don't feel like boondocking for 4 days out in the cold. I know a lot of other people do it, but I like my warmth. I left Canada to stay out of the warmth. I went to Florida to stay out of the cold. I went to Southern Texas to stay out of the cold. Beautiful sunny day though, at least. It's going to be a high of 20 degrees Celsius. It's hot during the daytime. Not humidity. There's no humidity. My hands are so dry. I got to keep putting cream on them. But at nighttime, it's freezing. Don't like it. Anyway, let's get on the road. Well, I've left the southern part of Texas, and I'm on Highway 10 now. I'm about to get on it. And I'm headed west, all the way to Tucson, and then Yuma, and then up to Quartzsite. 2-hour drives to my next stop, though. Like you wouldn't believe. Motorhome's like doing this. I've never felt this strong wind. It must be over 90 miles an hour. I was in 85 mile an hour winds along Lake Erie one year. It is a sandstorm, but it's just not a big giant one. The speed limit along Highway 10, 80 miles an hour. That's 125 kilometers. You lose your licenses, have your car suspended for like a year if you're doing 125 kilometers in a 60. No, in 104. I'm only doing 45. I can't go any faster. I can't even put my cruise control on because it just keeps downshifting. And I think the trucker and semis come whipping by me. A couple right now. Holy mackerel. There's a red flag warning for the wind. I'm scared. I literally had to get off the highway. Listen to this. You guys hear that? I'm gonna go ask those guys if I can park over there. can't really tell by looking at it, but the motorhome, I just swore it's going to tip right on its side. It was that bad. So I cut off. Oh my god, there's a big Class 8 going down the highway still, towing a Jeep. I would get off, man. Look, I'm rocking. Back and forth. Oh, my cupboard opened. Okay, this door. Oh, it is secure. I can't open the door. Man, I hope the roof stays on. I'm gonna have to stay here for a while. I'll get back to you. Listen to my roof. It's all aluminum and I check it regularly for any looseness or seams coming up, but it's pretty secure. Oh, I gotta get behind something. Anyways, I'll check the weather report. Let's see how long this is gonna last. I feel like I'm in a tornado. Literally. I feel like going up on the roof and just lying on top of it to hold it down. Whoa! That truck just moved. Oh, he's just shifting gears. He's gonna go up on it. I'm not. One of the guys just came out of that building. I asked him, he came up to the window. I said, do you mind if I park here just for a few minutes? See if this wind dies down, because it's insane. I'm right beside their building, like an office shed thing. So it's not as intense now. I don't feel it rocking anymore. What time is it? Might as well have lunch. 12. Okay, bye. Moria, Texas. Like an hour away to go to my campground. The wind's kind of dying down, so I checked. It went down from 107 to 107 kilometers per hour to 101 kilometers an hour. So I'll just keep checking that every few minutes. See if it goes down. But get the heck out of here. Well, 20 minutes ago, after about 40 minutes of driving, the wind finally died down. I'm not sure if this mountain range is part of the Rockies or not. I'm gonna have to look, check when I get stopped here in 11 minutes, 10 minutes now. But there was one mountain, huge one, that had to have been 3,000 feet high, above the other ones. I don't know, part of the Rockies or some other mountains in western Texas. Texas. I'm staying at a campground here tonight. Just a small one. $37 with a what do you call it? Seniors discount. $7 off. No, $8 off. I'll take it. Then she asked me if I had Sam's Club. I thought I had Sam's. I don't know. I get confused. But I think I have Sam's Club, so I gotta tell her that. Little small town. I don't know, 2,000 or 3,000 people. Right in the middle of all the mountains. Just gorgeous here, man. It's still windy. But the campground's just up here, so let's get parked. And I'll show you the mountains around where I am. It's pretty cool. Go to the campground here. I got plugged in electrical. I don't need to do the sewage or water because I got a full tank of water and I haven't used much. I haven't dumped much water in the tanks. The gray tank. I got to turn down the radio. But I got the ladder out. I gotta check the roof. That's it. Whoa, that's not good. I gotta go up on the roof. It's still a little bit windy. It's not as bad as it was. I gotta go up on the roof and just check. Make sure everything's okay there, like the air conditioner and the vents and all that, because that roof was shaking like crazy. So Not that I want to go up on the roof in the wind, but gotta do what I gotta do. And the roof is all good. Nothing's loose. The air conditioner's still solid as can be. And so are the vents. The only thing that's kind of loose is the little bit of shaking of this, the arm for the awning. See how it goes in and out? And there's a big gap in there. It's just a trim. I'm gonna bolt that up when I get home. But man, this anything built today would not have stand that highway. There would have been parts falling off, but knock on wood, this motorhome is built well, man. Well built in Canada. At the time, it was built in British Columbia. Now they're building in Oregon, I believe. ELM manufacturer. So if you get to use one of these, this thing's it's a 2006, 14, 15, 16, 17 years old. There's their logo. Oh my God, look what I lost. I lost my freaking my rear cover for my lights. Oh no, that's not good. I could lose the other one? Nope, that one blew off. Okay, gonna have to get a new one of those. That is not gonna be easy to find. Should I go back and try to find it? No. Here's the name of the RV park I'm at, Southern Star RV Park. Free cable, high-speed Wi-Fi, full hookups, and pull-through sites. I'm only getting 3 megabytes download speed, but I don't have a Wi-Fi booster on mine, so that's probably why. Let's cross the highway here and go see the mountains. So cool. I'm so glad I went out west. I almost didn't come out here, but I'm so glad I did. Just to see these mountains. Over behind this mountain range here, there's another mountain that's freaking 4 times the height of this one. I don't know if it's part of the Rockies. Like I said, I gotta check the map to see, but look at this railroad track behind me. That goes east. That's going west. Not even anywhere near the Rockies yet. Just some of those mountains look so huge. I'm in the Guadalupe Mountains National Park area. That's what these mountains are. I'm just looking them on Google Earth in 3D. Don't you love this app? Here's Eagle Peak. That's west of me, a little bit southwest of me. But the big one I saw was there's Van Horn. This is where I am now, right in that little town. Right there. The motorhome's right here. And I look to the west, or sorry, in the north, and I zoom in, well, not zoom in, but go down over to this big freaking mountain I saw in the distance. Right there, has to be, it's the biggest one. It's called the Guadalupe Peak. El Capitan, Shumard Peak, Guadalupe Peak Wilderness Campground. There's a campground up there? Would have been, look at that campground, right in the middle of the Rockies. Right down there. That would have been a good place to go camping. But it's beautiful out here. So glad I came. Anyways, I'm gonna make dinner. I'll call some people, talk to some people online, and then go to bed 'cause I'm tired. I'm gonna have a shower in the morning here. Showers are so clean. And then I head to my next Boondockers Welcome. They got 30 amp Wi-Fi and water. You guys stay safe, and I miss you and I love you all. Goodbye. Goodbye.